this forward pack for the Hurricanes. Rockety Stones, Almua, Mafileo, Plummer, Derns, Flanders, Lakai, Yossi, and they were in great form, most of those last week.
In the halves, Cam Rogard, Callum Harkins. In the midfield, 112 captain Geordie Barrett takes charge, partnering with Silky, Billy Proctor, Strike Power out the back. Finnegan, Offo, Balin.
Donge, Vode, he comes in for the injured Timo Mayana Vanua, who's out for about 6 weeks. Nasila, the most capped Drua player, is there playing his 53rd today. Wonga, Murray, Whanakaivata, the back row.
Pulling the strings for the Druas, Captain Frank Lamani at 9 alongside Isaiah Armstrong. Revel at 10, experience and exposure mixed with youthful confidence. Pelimomo.
2 changes in the backs as well. You see big Warner Derns there, the Japan captain. And we're getting set now. Here they come, the Fijian Drua. It's their fortress here in Lautoka, but it was stampeded by Moana 2 weeks ago.
Okay, Hurricanes!
Now Silla is ready. And so we're underway in Lautoka in the rain. Hurricanes kicking off. Armstrong, Rabula, and Rambitu. Here's Whanakaivata.
What type of offside is it?
Advantage is being played. Flying Fijian. And what's the distance like? He's got the distance, and the direction is spot on as well. So the decision to take the 3. A good one, Satish. Penalty.
Okay, you want playing on the ground here?
They're taking it quickly. And Proctor almost slides in.
No, it's not.
The Hurricanes.
Stay on.
Red hot on attack now, and they've got numbers, and over the top it is Fini Anganofo. And so that is the first try. Well, they took the quick tap, caught them napping, and they had the overlap. They had a man to spare out wide.
And it all starts from those quick taps. I think it was 2 in a row there.
Good take from Derns. And they set it up nicely, and they've got some forward momentum as well. The Hurricanes off the back of plenty of possession and back-to-back penalties, and they get the try.
Ball on the line.
It's their second try. Lamani, the crowd starts to roar. Vode, he's 5 out. Lamani again. Murray gets up, goes again. Murray! Hits back for the Fijian Drua. Ball was spinning all over the place. Cleaned up by the Drua. And then they come up with...
Hands away!
It's going to come back for the Canes.
Short!
Still short.
On the line.
Centimetres away. And Barrett floats one over the top. Nobody in front there. And it's a simple try in the end for Billy Proctor. So they concede 7 at the other end, and now they have hit back immediately. Proctor in his 70th game for the Hurricanes is on the score.
No, there's a tackler.
Pick and go.
You want to get rewarded there?
Some ball roll. Quickly back to Lamani. Onge and Wonga. Good defence by 2 from 2 so far. And this one is successful as well. Over it goes. Looking for a 50-22, and it was Harkin who did a great job just to keep that in the field of play as the halftime hoot has sounded. And so that is halftime to a lot of the away games. Trying to be very supportive of all Suns, and they all play for different teams. Advantage is being played now as we get into the second half. Lamani puts it in, takes it out.
Take him back.
Looking to extend the lead. It's got the legs. What's the direction? Oh, it's over. 3 points for the Canes. Armstrong Rabula. Rubbers it through.
Step. It's a ruck. Go. Kane's in front. Wait in front.
This time
Wingers
Barrett's
on.
sending it down to the 22. And Dorsesi running it back.
Let him run.
Goes to the air. Intercepted! And he has got another one. Scored in Lautoka in game one. Samo Londre. That was his first against Moana. Now he's got his second against the Hurricanes. Just plucked it out of the air like a thief in the night.
And all it came from he's been really impressive with his kick chase and support. As you can see there,
That's a vital try after Jody Barrett got the first points of the second half. The Drua hit back in style.
Conversion successful from right in front.
Okay, out, Kane's.
Advantage there, yeah. Walker Leaweri just getting the timing wrong. And now all of a sudden it is too wide. The sense that the crowd is building up. Armstrong Mabulla. Over the top it goes. Gossissing into the 22. And ball down. Armstrong Mabulla. Wide ball. Hits Rabbi. Penny Rabbi. Got it away. Wonga! Wonga is in. Antonio Wonga. Welcome back to the starting team. Welcome back to Lautoka. The Fiji Sevens boys are on their feet. He scored the try right in front of them. And listen to the noise in Lautoka.
what a try. It all started with that pressure, that kicking game. All it was, quick hands. Isaiah Armstrong looking up space.
Timing was good.
Let the crowd tell the story again in Lautoka.
What a game. What a last 10 minutes.